Hi everyone, welcome to the Design SK Studio channel, where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you. Today's topic is contemporary Japanese influenced interior. Now, let's get started. Contemporary Japanese influenced interiors blend traditional Japanese aesthetics with modern design principles, creating spaces that are serene, functional, and visually stunning. Here are some key elements to consider. 1. Minimalism. Embrace simplicity with clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a focus on functionality. The Japanese concept of negative space, plays a crucial role in creating a sense of balance and calm. 2. Natural materials. Incorporate wood, bamboo, stone, and paper to bring a touch of nature indoors. Tatami mats and shoji screens are classic examples that add authenticity. 3. Neutral colors. Use a palette of earthy tones like beige, white, and gray, complemented by natural wood hues. These colors create a soothing and harmonious atmosphere. 4. Indoor-outdoor connection. Large windows, sliding doors, and indoor plants like bonsai or ikebana arrangements help blur the line between the indoors and outdoors, fostering a connection with nature. 5. Low-profile furniture. Opt for low seating arrangements such as floor cushions or low wooden tables to reflect traditional Japanese living spaces. 6. Zen elements. Add features like a small Zen garden, water fountain, or carefully placed rocks to enhance the tranquil vibe. Please subscribe and become a member so I can help you explore specific ideas or even suggest ways to incorporate this style into your own space. As a reminder, Design SK Studio Channel is the place where you can learn about design tutorials for better living. Please subscribe, like, and share.